let's talk about adding two squares. Let's say we have 13 squared plus 17 squared. The requirements for this trick is that the tens digit have to be equal, and the units digit have to add up to 10. So in this case, 3 plus 7 is 10, and the ones are the same. So the trick is we're going to have to add 3 squared plus 7 squared. This is 9 plus 49, which is 58. So the last two digits have to be a 58. Then we take the 1 and we add it, or we multiply it with 1 plus 1. So whatever number we have here, we're going to multiply it by itself plus 1. This is 2. Then we have to multiply this number by 2. This is 4. So our final answer is 458. Next, let's say we have 39 squared plus 31 squared. We're going to take 9 squared plus 1 squared. So that's 81 plus 1. This is 82. So our last two digits will be 82. Then we have to take 3 and multiply by 3 plus 1. This will be 3 times 4, which is 12. Then we multiply this by 2 to get 24. So our answer will be 2482. Lastly, let's look at 66 squared plus 64 squared. So we're going to add 6 squared and 4 squared. 6 squared is 36 and 4 squared is 16. This will be 52. So our last two digits will be 52. Then we take the 6 and we multiply to 6 plus 1. This is 6 times 7, which is 42. Then we multiply this by 2. So our final answer will be 8452. Now, this trick can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice. I'll link the practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.